Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hello, my name is Lutfi Indriani. My class is 9 of junior. I am from SNPN Pasajira. I will cook medicine. Tool and material: 1 tamarind, 2 real sugar, 3 spoon per hot water, and 5 glass. Steps: prepare a glass tamarind. The sugar, add hot water. And stir until it is distributed. Then ready to drink. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.